How to permanently get rid of nasty squirrels from your yard and attic. Trapping then removing these fuzzy-tailed rats from your yard and attic is only a temporary solution to the problem of rotted pecan trees, chewed-up electrical wiring, and all the other nuisances and health hazards these scourges bring, uninvited, to your property. Here is how to permanently get rid of the little rodents. Things you will need. 1 small have-a-heart animal trap. Some bait for the trap shelled corn or nuts work really well. 1 30-gallon trash can with lid. The summer and early fall are the best times to trap squirrels in your yard before they have time to migrate into your attic and set up a winter nest. You will need to set your trap in a convenient to the squirrels place in your yard, bait it with shelled corn, nuts, or even cat food. Once you have the trap placed, it is a simple matter to look in on it every day or two to see what you have trapped. Do not be disappointed if you find you have trapped the occasional possum or raccoon, but using the smaller of the traps will usually limit the type and size critters you catch. If you do get a young possum, raccoon, or other varmint, the same steps apply for getting rid of them as it does for the squirrels. When you find a squirrel in your trap, the first thing you need to do is fill your trash can with enough water to immerse the entire trap in it. Wear some leather gloves to keep from getting bitten or scratched by the critter. Carry the trap with the squirrel in it to the water-filled trash can, and lower the trap, squirrel and all, into the water. It should only take a minute or two to drown and kill the squirrel, allowing you to dispose of the remains, reset the trap, and proceed to wiping out the remainder of the infestation. I reiterate, catching these best, and hauling them away from your property is only a temporary fix. If you do not kill them outright, they will return to your property, and you would be amazed at the amount of monetary damages they can do to your home. This method works, and I have been proving it for over 6 years. The cost of the trap has been recovered in my pecan crop alone. Not to mention the peace of mind of knowing my electrical wiring will not be stripped of its insulation and present a fire hazard in my home. Tips warnings. Always wear leather gloves when handling the trap with a live critter in it. For your own safety, do not attempt to move a trap without hand protection.